In this video, I want to explain how to download your file after you've completed all the practice problems as a PDF file. So let me share my screen with you and we'll get started. So once you have everything completed, and again, that includes the practice problems, so this wouldn't be blank for you. There are a couple of different ways that you can print. Now, one of the things that you can do is you can look up here and you can see the print button. Now, sometimes for some students, this hasn't worked too well, but one option is to click on print and then to wait, and it's exporting. And it will take, it could take up to 30 seconds or so for it to export. So let's just hold off here while it's exporting, save and download as, waiting. Okay, so it looks like this method didn't work again. So normally it would give you like a green or a blue box down here, and you would click on the link and open it in a new file, and then you could do Control P for print. But it looks like that didn't work. So let's try a different way. So we're going to click over here on File, and we're going to come down to, not that version, this file, the one below it. For this particular one. And we're going to come down here to where it says save and download as. And one of the options is PDF. Now, there are two other PDFs down here, but what we want to do is do a PDF. So we're going to click on PDF and it's going to export, and hopefully this time it will give us a file and show us what we need to have. So it looks like there was an error command. So let's try something else. It says killed command bash. Okay, that doesn't mean anything to me. So let's try a different way of downloading it. So click on File again, and let's try PDF via Classic NB Convert and Chrome PDF. So we'll click on that and see if that will work. It's a little tricky and a little fussy. Okay, so I'm not having much luck with most of these. Let's try one last one that often works, which is HTML via Classic in Notebook Conversion, or you could try the HTML via Jupyter Lab NB Convert. So I'm going to try the Classic, HTML via Classic NB Convert, or you could just click on HTML and see if that works as well. Let's try HTML. Aha, so it did work. So you'll see up here that it creates this link for you in blue. So let's open this link in a new tab. And when we click on it, you'll see the entire thing, everything you had in there, input and output lines, which will be here in an HTML file, basically opened as a new tab. And then you want to hold down the Control key and press P for print. And your computer should say it's going to print it as different things. And you want to save it to PDF or Adobe PDF if you have Adobe Pro. So save to PDF will work. And then once you save to PDF, you'll get to choose where you want it to save. So there are different ways of printing. Some may or may not work with your computer. It just gets a little dicey. Maybe start with HTML and have it print that way, all right? So when you upload your file, you want to be sure to upload the PDF version, right? So I hope this has been helpful, and I hope that you will be able to print it at least one of the probably 6 different ways that we tried.